When working with sheet metal, you often come across shapes like these. Usually, they are created using punch tools. Most likely, you know the louver type. But how do you model this in SolidWorks? Let's find out. In this video, we will explore how to create our own punch tool, or how SolidWorks calls it, a form tool. We'll also go through setting up a tool library so you can easily reuse the tools you create in future designs. In our simple example, we'll design a tool that forms anti-slip holes, similar to those seen on industrial stair treads. Once we have mastered this method, you'll be equipped to build many other profile types too. Start by sketching a rectangle and extruding it with the boss extrude, indicating our stopping face. Make sure the outer dimensions are slightly larger than the shape of your tool, in this case, 30 by 30 millimeters. The thickness isn't critical. Next, sketch a 10 millimeter circle and extrude it upwards by 2 millimeters from the stopping plate. Add a 2 millimeter fillet, where this cylinder meets the plate to round it off smoothly. Now, the real work starts. Going over to the Sheet Metal tab and activate the Forming Tool feature. As shown in the Property Manager on the left side, we first need to select our stopping face. This is the surface where the punch will stop. Then the faces to removed could be selected when necessary. The area of these surfaces will be removed from the material, resulting in holes. Additionally, we can adjust the insertion point under the Insertion Point tab. By default, this is the origin of the part, but this can be modified by choosing one of the predefined points. We will stick with the default for now. Click the green checkmark to confirm, and SolidWorks will define our new form tool. The different colors representing the stopping face in blue, punch faces in yellow, and the faces to remove in red. Let's see how to put this tool in a library. Now the form tool is complete, we have to save this part into a form tool library so it will be recognized as a form tool. Since I haven't one yet, we need to create one. Save the part as you normally would, but ensure to select the file type form tool first. Create a new folder somewhere that makes sense for you and name it Form Tool Library. One thing left to do is defining a logical file name. Consider naming it something descriptive like anti-slip hole 2 millimeters, for instance, and hit save. To let SolidWorks recognize this as a form tool library, open the task pane and switch to the Design Library tab. Use the Add Library icon to browse to your form tool folder. After adding it, right-click on the folder and choose Forming Tools folder. This tells SolidWorks to treat all contents inside as form tools ready for use. From now on, use this folder to store all your future form tools. Just as excited as I am to see if our form tools works, start a new part and model a 1 millimeter thick sheet metal base flange. Make sure it is big enough to apply the form tool. Now go to the Form Tool Library in the task pane. Select the library and drag and drop the form tool on the base flange. The Property Manager will show various settings and options. Feel free to explore, but for now, we keep the default settings. However, we need to specify the position by defining some dimensions. Go to the Position tab to place the tool accurately by applying standard dimensions. Hit the green checkmark and admire the result. Your form tool is functional. You've now seen how to create and apply a custom form tool in SolidWorks. With your new skills, you can build all kinds of sheet metal form tools and reuse them easily in future projects. Share your creations in the comments so we can all continue learning together. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more to explore in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.